Hello everyone, myself Dr. Devendraya, working as a lecturer in Virasheva Degree College. Today we observe the topic interpolation. In interpolation, we mainly discuss two cases, that is Newton-Gregoire forward interpolation formula and Newton-Gregoire backward interpolation formula. So let us observe the first one, that is Newton-Gregoire forward interpolation formula. Let the function y is equals to f of x. Suppose it takes the values y0, y1, y2, etc. corresponding to the values x0, x0 plus h, x0 plus 2h, etc. of x. We require to find the value of f of x for the value x is equals to x0 plus ph, where p is any real number. By considering the data of y and x, we require to determine for the value x is equals to x0 plus ph, where p is any real number. Now, for a real number p, so from the previous classes, we know the result that e to the power p into f of x, which is equals to f of x plus ph. That means consider the value of f of x plus ph as e to the power p into f of x. Now, y of x will be equals to f of x plus ph. We replace f of x plus ph as e to the power p into f of x0, because we are considering x0 plus ph, therefore we will replace f of x0. And since we know that e value is 1 plus delta, so therefore we will replace the value as 1 plus delta to the power p into y0. F of x0 value will be y0. So on expanding the term 1 plus delta to the power p and multiplying y0 to the term, that is on expanding 1 plus delta to the power p. So it is in the form of binomial expansion. So therefore we used to write the value as 1 plus p into delta plus p into p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube plus etc. etc. into y0. When we consider y0 towards inside, we observe that y0 plus p into delta of y0 plus p into p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square of y0 plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube of y0. So this formula is known as Newton-Gregoire forward interpolation formula. Just remember the formula when we apply the concepts related to forward interpolation formula. That is, the formula will be yx is equals to y0 plus p into delta of y0 plus p into p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square of y0 plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube of y0. Based on the differences, we used to extend the number of terms in this formula. Now, let us observe the next one, that is Newton-Gregoire backward interpolation formula. So here also we observe a function with the values y0, y1, y2 corresponding to the values x0, x0 plus h, x0 plus 2h of x. We require to find the value of f of x for x is equals to xn plus ph. There in the first case x0 plus ph, here since we are discussing backward interpolation formula, so the term x can be considered as x is equals to xn plus ph. As we know that p is any real number, we have e to the power minus 1. So we have observed all these properties in the previous class itself. E to the power minus 1 can be considered as 1 minus del. That is, this symbol stands for backward operator, 1 minus del. That is, E is equals to 1 minus del of del to the power minus of 1. So therefore y of x, which is equals to y of xn plus ph, that is, y of x can be considered as f of xn plus ph. This term can be written as e to the power p into f of xn. So we know that e value in this case will be 1 minus del to the power minus p into yn. So we have considered e value as 1 minus del to the power minus 1. Minus 1 into p will be minus p into yn. Once again, when we expand this, we observe the result as 1 plus p into del plus p into p plus 1 divided by 2 factorial into del square plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into del cube plus etc. into yn. So now when yn, if we multiply for the terms, we observe yn plus p into del of yn plus p into p plus 1 into 2 factorial into del square of yn. So plus p into p plus 1 into p plus 2 divided by 3 factorial into del cube of yn plus etc. Here this symbol stands for backward operator. So this formula is known as Newton-Gregoire for backward interpolation formula. Let us observe one problem. Given that, so in the data we observe that sine 45 degrees is equals to 0.7071, sine 50 degrees which is equals to 0.7660, sine 55 degrees which is equals to 0.8192, sine 60 degrees which is equals to 0.8660. Find sine of 52 degrees using Newton-Gregoire forward interpolation formula. See, here we have some datas. So let us assume the datas in the form of x and y. So whenever we have 0.7071, here we observe 4 decimal places. Therefore we write the value of y as 10 to the power 4 into y. That means we consider the value 7071. So 0.7071 can be considered as 10 to the power 4 into y. So remember the point. Here we have in terms of degrees, therefore we write x in terms of degrees, x degree, and then so 10 to the power 4 into y. Why we should consider 10 to the power 4? So here we find 4 decimal places, therefore 10 to the power 4 into y. Let us write the values of these. So that is, we used to write the value as 45 degrees, 50 degrees, 55 degrees and then 60 degrees, and we consider this value as x. So now let us write the values of the function. That is, we know that sine 45 degrees can be considered as 0.7071. Therefore we write the value as 10 to the power 4 into y, that is 7071, 7660, and then third value they have given is 8192 and then 8660. So this is what given here in the question. So we should apply the difference table. What is difference table? Take the difference of these two. That is, on taking the difference of these two, we observe the value as 589. So take the difference of these two, we observe the value as 532. Take the difference of these two, so we observe the value as 488. So now continue the same process. We observe delta square, that is, take the difference of these two, we observe a negative value because it's a smaller number, it's a higher number, minus of 57. Again take the difference of these two, we observe its value as minus 64. Similarly, on taking the difference, we write delta cube, which will be equals to minus of 7. So therefore we have constructed a difference table. We have already discussed the method of writing the difference table in the previous classes. So x will be given and then y will be given. So take the difference of y. This is the procedure we used to consider in case of difference table. Now here we require to determine the value of P, x naught, y naught and h. We require to determine. So x naught will be given in the problem, y naught will also be given in the problem. H is nothing but difference of x, that is here h can be considered as 50 minus 45 which is equals to 5, or 55 minus 50 which is equals to 5. So x naught is nothing but 45, and then y naught is nothing but 7071, h is nothing but 5. So we require to determine the value of P, and all the values need to be substituted in the forward difference table. Let us see. So we shall take x naught as 45, h as 5, y naught as 7071. So here for the value x is equals to 52 we require to determine. Also we know that x can be written as x naught plus ph, so which implies p value. Always remember that p value will be x minus x naught divided by h. Substitute the determining value 52 minus initial, that is 45, divided by 5. We observe that p value will be 1.4. Now substituting x naught, h, y naught and p value in the Newton-Gregory interpolation formula. So f of 52 which is equals to y naught plus p into delta of y naught plus p into p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square of y naught plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube of y naught plus etc. So we are replacing the value of y naught as 7071. Delta of y naught, that is the first difference, will be given by 589 into 1.4. So 1.4 into 1.4 minus 1 divided by 2 factorial. 2 factorial value will be 2 into delta square. The second difference will be minus 57 plus p into p minus 1, that is 1.4 into 1.4 minus 1, 1.4 minus 2 divided by 3 factorial will be given by 6. Delta cube of y naught, that is the third difference, will be minus of 7. So therefore we observe the value as 7071 plus 824.6. So on simplifying this one, we observe its value as minus 16. On simplifying this one, so we observe the value as 0.4. On adding all this, we observe the value as 7880. So therefore sin 52 degrees will be nothing but 7880. So that is the value will be, we have considered in the form of 10 to the power 4, 0.7880 will be the value of sin 52 degrees. We can observe in a scientific calculator. So we will be knowing the value, but here so we should apply the concept of Newton-Gregory interpolation formula. Let us consider one more problem, that is they have given some values of x and f of x. We require to determine f of 2.5. So that is estimate f of 2.5. Let us construct the difference table. For constructing the difference table, we write x and f of x. So we write the given data as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. These are nothing but the values of x. Now let us write the values of f of x, that is y. So given that 1, 8, 27, 64, 125 and then 216. We know the method of constructing the difference table. So take the difference of these two, 7. So on taking the difference we observe 19. Taking the difference once again we observe 37. Taking the difference we observe 61. Taking the difference we observe 91. On taking the difference of these two, that is 19 minus 7 will be 12, 37 minus 19 will be 18, 61 minus 37 will be 24, 91 minus 61 will be 30. So taking the difference of 18 minus 12 will be 6, 24 minus 18 will be 6, 30 minus 24 will be 6. 6 minus 6 will be 0, 6 minus 6 will be 0. That is, we observe delta, delta square, delta cube and delta to the power 4. As we know that this value will be x naught and this value will be y naught. Okay, and the difference h will be 1 in this case. So let us determine the value of p. So we shall take x naught value as 1, h as 1, y naught as 1. x will be, that is the estimation value in this problem will be 2.5. We know the relation that p value can be determined or considered as x minus x naught divided by h, that is 2.5 minus 1 divided by 1, which is nothing but 1.5. Substituting the value, all these values in the Newton-Gregory forward interpolation formula, we have, so f of 2.5, which is equals to y naught plus p into delta of y naught plus p into p minus 1 divided by 2 factorial into delta square of y naught plus p into p minus 1 into p minus 2 divided by 3 factorial into delta cube of y naught plus etc. etc. So students need to remember this formula. So now we replace the value of y naught as 1 and then p as 1.5. So delta of y naught, the first difference will be 7. So substituting the value of p and then delta square of y naught, delta cube of y naught, we observe the result, that is the resultant value of f of 2.5 as 1 plus, on simplifying this 10.5, we get 10.5. Simplifying the next term we get 4.5. Simplifying the next term we get 0.375. On adding all these, so we observe that f of 2.5 value will be equals to 15.625. This is the method of applying Newton-Gregory forward interpolation formula. Even we can apply Newton backward interpolation formula also. So we need to estimate the value of f of 2.5.